Have you ever known what you needed to do, but you kept waiting because you didn't feel ready? Maybe you're thinking about changing careers or starting something new, having a difficult conversation with someone, or finally doing something you've been putting off for months. And you keep telling yourself, I'll do it when I feel more confident. But what if confidence isn't supposed to come first? Sometimes courage does. Hi, I'm Dr. Marcia Washington. In the next few minutes, I hope to make this make sense. We often think courageous people are fearless, but that's not necessarily true. Courage doesn't mean you don't feel fear. Sometimes courage means saying something like, yes, I'm scared, but I'm going to take that next step anyway. I often tell people that taking a leap of faith, it takes courage. And here's the important part. You may not feel completely confident when you take that leap. You may have doubts. You may question yourself. You may even wonder, what in the world am I doing? And that's okay because sometimes confidence, it comes after the step, not before it. Think about it. You try something you weren't sure that you can do, but you get through it. And afterwards, you realize, wait a minute, I did that thing. Now you have evidence. And the next time something difficult comes along, you can look back and you can say, I've been afraid before and I still moved forward. That's how confidence begins to grow. So, this week's healing habit, I want you to ask yourself one question. What would I do if I didn't have to feel completely ready first? Don't think about the 10 steps, just identify one. Maybe it's making that phone call or submitting that application, or maybe even making that appointment or having that hard conversation. Maybe it involves researching an idea or just simply saying something out loud like, this is something I want. Your courageous step doesn't have to look impressive to anyone. It just needs to move you forward. So taking a leap of faith takes courage. And courage doesn't guarantee that everything will work out exactly the way you planned. It means you're willing to trust yourself enough to take that next step, even when you can't see the entire path. So if you're waiting to feel fearless, I invite you not to. You don't need to be fearless. You don't even need to feel completely confident. Sometimes you just have to do it scared. Your journey comes in phases. Until next Tuesday, be gentle and kind to yourself. Bye for now.